Hindi nyo gusto ang kurso ninyo. Dito rin sa Pilipinas, meron tinatawag na business process outsourcing. And of course, I'm looking at the science graduates here. And not only science graduates, but everybody. Because right now, if we talk of the BPO, halos lahat ng kurso meron tsansa na maging employee sa mga BPO. Depende sa inyong preparasyon. Imagine, in about a year, 2 years from now, 1 million employees are going to be hired by the business process outsourcing, and you can be hired, but it will all depend on how you prepare. Kaya yan ang aking final na mensahe para sa inyo. Kasama ninyo ako sa inyong mga pangarap, at tulad ng mga ibang opisyal na nandito, just like your parents, Congressman Goles will pray very hard that you're going to experience the same success that God gave this humble representation that, like you, is a public school graduate, pero nabigyan ng pagkakataon na umangat mula sa isang low-cost government housing project sa Quezon City hanggang maging congressman ng Parañaque. And that opportunity will be given to you, but it will all depend on how you work hard. So sa inyo, sa class of 2010, mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang inyong mga magulang, mabuhay ang inyong mga teachers, mabuhay ang institusyon ng Parañaque National High School, at ulitin ko, kasama ninyo si Roy Goles sa inyong mga dalangin at sa inyong mga pangarap. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa inyo na. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such an inspiring talk. At this point, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Eric Olivares. Our next speaker is a man who continues